Hello everyone. Today I'll be introducing the graphical user interface of WELSIM. WELSIM is a finite element analysis software. It has been released for nearly 2 years, and we upgrade the versions every few months. The latest version is 1.7, as you can see on my screen. We have been getting questions or comments from the users, particularly the first-time users. They wanted to know the WELSIM and know how to use WELSIM. So that's why I'm making this video. Hopefully it can help these users can get familiar with WELSIM easily. If you have used other simulation software, then the WELSIM should be very easy and straightforward for you, because all these components such as the trees, the property window, the graphics windows, it's kind of standardized. You can very easily pick it up and use it for your simulation projects. Okay, so let's start with the menus, which is on the very top of the application. As you can see, we have different menus on the very top. So the menus provide all the available commands or options or actions for the users. So if you cannot find the command from the toolbar or from the right button click the context menu, you must be able to find here on the menu, on the very top menu. So we have the file menu, where you can create a new project, open project, or save the project, or quit the application. In the view menu, you can zoom in, zoom out the graphics. You also can change the view angle. You can set the graphical docking status. They also can control the display to the toolbar, the buttons on the toolbar, or display the windows. In the material, which is kind of related to the simulation data, is user when you want to add a material data for your simulation, so you can find all the actions here in the material menu. Geometry, you can find all the geometry related commands in this menu. FEM the FEM menu provides all the meshing, solving, or resolving evaluation commands here. So then there's 3 commands right after the FEM is structure, thermal, and electrical. So you can find all the boundary condition and results objects in these menus. And it's sorted by the physics types. In the tools, you can find the 2 commands that help you to operate the software. One is generate input script, which you can before solving, instead of solving the project, you can generate input script and review all this data to make sure this is correct. It's not necessary, but it's just helping help user to know your inputs is correct. Sometimes help you to investigating the solutions. Also, you can open the current folder on your hard drive. You don't have to browse it by yourself. You can just use this command, can directly find your solution results, all this intermediate data or final data there. In the help menu, we can find the user menu. We can find a website and also the information about this application. For example, when I click the about, then we can see all this data about the application and your local machine. It's Windows 10. Then right below that are the toolbars. So all the commands are showing the toolbar. It's provide a very convenient shortcut for you to click the buttons and add conditions, modify the data. On the left side, we have the project Explore window, also called the tree window, where you can define the conditions. So you can add the sequence, add the order or scheme to your project, and you can implement your analysis. And also for each object, we click that, you can see the different components showing in the properties window, which is just right below that. Then you can view the data, you can add in, you can modify the data in the property window. So each object has its own properties. It's providing lots of options. Then in the middle, very big window, which is a graphical window, you can view the model and you can highlight the geometry. You can select some geometry for your boundary condition, body condition, etc. And also you can see there is a logo on the right top, and there is a coordinated system symbol there. You can see XYZ direction. Also, there is a ruler on the right bottom. You can measure or estimate the size of the geometry with this ruler. So you can see, compare the geometry. You can easily tell the size of the geometry approximately. Then on the right side, we have some interpret data and chart window or an output windows. This kind of auxiliary help you to know the data and define data. Okay, so that's pretty much of all the components in the GUI. So if you have any comments or questions, please let us know. Send us an email or leave a message on our website. Thanks for watching. Bye.